Barefoot running would be great if we grew up barefoot. If you've ever been to New Zealand and seen Maoris or any other people that have grown up their entire lives barefoot, their feet don't look anything like ours. They have completely different feet because they've been barefoot their whole lives. We have baby feet. These baby feet cannot handle barefoot running, not long term. You will get injured. There's a lot of injuries showing up. A lot of people are afraid to talk about it because barefoot running has become somewhat of a religion for a lot of people. Because again, just like raw food, it's like I ran barefoot and suddenly everything changed and now it's their new religion. And I'm sorry if anybody in the room is, really supports it, but I was a barefoot runner and I got hurt really badly. I bruised the balls of my feet, and for 8 months, I had to deal with this extreme pain in the balls of my feet, no matter how much cushioning I put on. Our feet didn't grow up with that kind of stress. We've been wearing shoes too long. And also, we weren't born to run on pavement. Not just that pavement is hard, but it's the fact that roads are smooth and flat and generally straight. Nothing like that exists in the wild. In the wild, every step is different. I'm riding up or down or side to side. The terrain is never perfectly flat. There's always a bump of something, and I'm moving around trees and over rocks and jumping. Every stride is a different length. I'm engaging all the muscles in my legs and core and back. But when you're running on the road, it's the same motion over and over and over. It's repetitive stress. One of the reasons that runners get injured is repetitive stress. And barefoot running doesn't change that. You need to get off the roads and onto the trails. And trails are more dangerous for barefoot runners. There's things you're going to step on that are sharp. I don't think that barefoot running is the way to go. I think minimalist running, like reducing the amount of shoe that you have on your foot, I think that's a good idea. But barefoot running, unless you're born that way, you're going to run into problems.